Benjamin. Hey, buddy. Yay! You looking at the chickens, buddy? Yeah, you're still smiling. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, that's definitely Benjamin. Benjamin, look at you standing, buddy. Yeah. Bring the goat over. Here he comes, Kim. Look, buddy. Such a big boy. Just
It's a baby. He totally doesn't look. Look at the baby.
There you go, buddy. Oh! He puts his hand back.
Oh, the baby when he gets you. The baby when he gets you. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna get there again.
Good job, Benjamin.
Did the baby get you? Did the baby get you?
Yeah.
Let's not put that
Buddy.
in.
You gonna ring the nose? Harbes Farm, Mattituck, Long Island, with Benjamin and Kim. Go ahead, Kim, let me see. Go ahead, buddy, try to ring the nose. No, don't let him eat it. Don't let him eat it. Get it out of his mouth. Yay! Good job, Benjamin.
Crazy, right?
Benjamin, you having corn?
Yeah.
Benjamin, mommy feeding you corn? Mommy feeding you corn, yes. Mwah. Yeah.
That was like the ring, like, remember the ring at Woodloch? There's one right there. Oh, is there? Oh my God.
Here I come.
Is that gonna be you next year?
That really is. The honey barn. Actually, bees making honey, real bees. Where do you grab the honey though? Pretty cool. Done with the corn?
It's starting to drizzle a little bit, you feel it?
I brought the big umbrella. It's in the truck. You want me to go get it? And I have his rain thing, cover for the thing in there, Ken. See the horsey? See the horsey? Look. He's more interested in the camera. See? Hey, look. See? What's the horsey doing? Huh?
Hi!
You hugging the horse, Mommy?